Type error, KFold object is not iterable. I'm following one of the kernels on Kaggle, mainly, I'm following a kernel for credit card fraud detection. I reached the step where I need to perform KFold in order to find the best parameters for logistic regression. The following code is shown in the kernel itself, but for some reason, probably older version of scikitlearn, give me some errors. The errors I'm getting are as follows. For this line, fold equals kfold len y underscore train underscore data, 5, shuffle equals false, error. Type error, init got multiple values for argument shuffle. If I remove the shuffle equals false from this line, I'm getting the following error. Type error, shuffle must be true or false, got 5. If I remove the 5 and keep the shuffle equals false, I'm getting the following error. Type error, kfold object is not iterable, which is from this line. For iteration, indices in enumerate fold, start equals 1. If someone can help me with solving this issue and suggest how this can be done with the latest version of scikitlearn, it will be very appreciated. Thanks.
KFold is a splitter, so you have to give something to split. Example code. If you want to get the index for the loop of train/test, just add enumerate. I hope this works.
That depends on how you have imported the KFold. If you have did this, then your code should work. Because it requires 3 params, length of array, number of splits, and shuffle. But if you are doing this, then this will not work and you only need to pass the number of splits and shuffle. No need to pass the length of array along with making changes in enumerate. By the way, the model_selection is the new module and recommended to use. Try using it like this.
Você precisa estar